In this video, we will learn complete Shopify product object. So how you can get the product information in Shopify by using liquid code. So I will explain you each and everything in detail. So if you would like to get the product title, you will simply type product.title in the curly braces, and you can wrap them uh, with the h1 tag or whatever the tag you would like to use in the HTML, and then you can simply print out the product dot title and it will display something like this. Next, if I go down, how you can get the product price. So for the product price, you have to type product.price. If there is not any variant, then you can type the product.price with the filter, with the money filter. So this pipe sign is for the filter, and when you type this pipe sign, you can pass the filter money and it will display the price in this format. And if you don't pass this money filter, it will display the price without the dollar, without this dot. It will display the price in cent. So you will get the price 2,999 if you remove this money filter. Okay, so if you would like to see the money format of the price, then you need to pass this money filter. Okay, next we have a product description. If you would like to get the product description, simply type the product.description and it will display the product description. Okay, in the next we have the featured image. So if you would like to grab the product featured image, remember there could be many images and the first one is the featured image. So if you would like to get the main featured image, you will simply type product.featured image and then the filter image URL and the size of that image URL. So in most of the cases you get the large size, but there are different sizes: large, medium, small, and whatever the size of the image you need, you can call that specific size image URL, and it will give you the image URL when you pass this filter image URL, and it will give you the featured image URL, and you can use that in the image tag and your product image will be displayed. Next, we have all the product images. Now if you would like to grab all the product images, so what you have to do, you need to loop through all the product images and you will type this curly braces percentage and for loop, and you will fetch all the product from the product.images. This is the product images array where we will loop through each image, and then we will get the image, this image, and we'll pass the filter image URL and we will get the medium. This time we are getting the medium size and we will loop through each image. So if the product has 10 images, it will display the 10 images. If the product has 5 images, it will display the 5, and it will loop through all the images which product has, including the featured image. Okay, next we have a product handle. Product handle is a unique handle, something like this classic cotton t-shirt. So it will basically handleize the title and convert that into the lowercase and remove the spaces and add the dashes. So if you need the product handle, you can simply type product.handle and it will give you the product handle. Okay, next we have product vendor. If you need to fetch the product vendor, simply type the product.vendor and it will give you the product vendor, and you can write by and then the product vendor name. Next we have product type. Similarly, We can get the product type by typing product.type, and it will give you the product type. Next we have product tags, and for the product tags, product tag is array, and we need to loop through each tag, and then you loop through the tags. It will display the something like this. You can print out the tag and they will be displayed like this, and it will loop through all the tags which product has. And next, compare at price. Some product has compare at price. For example, this price 39.99 is compare price, and we are selling in $29. So we can add the condition, if there is a compare price, then display the compare price, and we can display them in the del element, and you can get the compare at price by typing product.compare at price. Next we have product variants, and for the product variant we need to, you will loop through all the product.variants and by typing product.variants, and it will give you all the information about the variant. You can get the product variant ID by typing variant.id. You can get the product title by typing variant.title and the product variant price, and it will display like this. Okay, next we will check the availability. If the product is available and in stock, then we will show in stock. If the product is not available, then it will display sold out. So it will check the product quantity, stock quantity, and if there is if the product is available, then it will display in stock, otherwise it will display sold out. And if you would like to know how many collection is this product in, then you can loop through all the collection which belongs to this product. So you can loop through collection in product collection, and it will give you all the collection where this product fall. Next we have product option. If the product has option, we can loop through by with the product option, and it will give you the option name. Next we have product URL. If in some cases you need the product URL to add the link of the product, and you can get that product.url, and it will give you the product URL. And if you need the product ID, you can simply type the product.id, and it will give you the product ID. Next, if you need a selected variant, you can type product.selected or first available variant, and you can get the property of title of that selected variant, and you can also get the price of that first or selected variant like this. Okay, next if you would like to get the these are all the basic information: title, handle, ID, description, vendor, type, price, compare price, featured image, images, options, variants, and these are the reference over here. So you can also get the product Metafields if you need. So this is the complete product object. We have the product featured image, the product title, the product vendor, the price, the description, and the product variants. So I hope this video makes sense to you, and please let me know if you have any question about the product object in Shopify Liquid. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.